Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everybody is doing fine. Yet again today, during the London session, the trade I wish gave away hit a stop loss, but my trade was still running. But I was pretty much disappointed by the gold. Why? Because gold is not behaving the way it's supposed to. It's just, I think because currently the goal is just rejecting to do a correction. It implies that we are looking forward to, unemployment claims on Thursday, which will drive gold down. If the gold don't make its natural retracement, it will likely drop down. But as you can see, this we have a really tight range. I see, I took TPs around here, and my trade is still running. Two of those trades from here. I'm managing my trades. If you follow the risk to reward ratio, you follow it. Mostly people they are texting me that, oh my god, I have this much loss, I had that much loss, and then I say, I look at their lot sizes. Their lot sizes is not according to their account balance. So why the hell are people getting greedy? The greed is killing them. The greed is hurting their equity account size. Why don't they understand these things? That that their equity will be affected. We are professional traders. We are not gamblers. Stop acting like, a degenerate gambler. Please understand. We are professional traders. Even in the premium group, there are some people who suffer loss. And I look at their lot size. Their lot size is not the lot size I recommended to them. So I'm really pretty much disappointed. Why aren't you following the lot size which I recommended? And before opening, the second group, when the first five people joined, they used to ask me whenever they used to open a trade, they used to ask me. And then there was a time that they said, when we will get 5 entries per day. And then I gave, but they still ask me. But some people, they forget to message me, and then when they have losses, they message me. Please follow the trade management, the trade management, the lot, the risk to reward ratio, the lot size I recommend. Please don't burn your money. I mean, if you're not ready to take loss, you cannot take profit. I've been especially mentioning in the premium group too, and even in one, that when I say this is the entry setup and open one trade, just open that one trade on gold according to the lot size which I recommended. Until I say again to open the trades like normal, don't do that. But people they don't follow it. People open more the lot size which I don't recommend, and they open more trades. So when the trade doesn't go sideways, it hits stop loss, their equity decreases. Why don't you understand? We are following our trade setup. Of course, we're gonna make some money too. We're gonna lose some money too. If you're not ready to take a loss, you cannot make profit. We have been making back to non-stop, consistent back-to-back profits since the first week. This is the fifth week. So how are we able to do that? Follow a strict trade setup, you know, and follow it thoroughly. And I give this signal right now on the live stream. Okay, rest right now, right here. I didn't even posted it on premium. Why? Because I wanna see how people do, how react. You need to understand the oil trade which I gave, the oil signal. Hold on a second. This oil signal, the re-entry is working perfectly. I give it around here. This was the oil trade which I gave to the guys who recently joined in group 2. By the way, group 2 is half full now, so if you're not in the group 2 and it's full, then don't message me. I won't put you in group 2. Wait for group 3. It's gonna take 1 month for the whitelist to complete. Anyways, so we are a family. We Pro Wolf Trader, we are a family. No matter if you are in a premium or you are in a free group, we are a family. Please, if you don't know what lot size you should take according to your equity size, please DM me. I can at least do this once for you. Like tell you, recommend you what lot size you have to choose. Don't gamble with the money. Don't put huge lot sizes. Please understand it. I mean, I made so much profit, and recently I'm trying to sell gold, even though I know it's pumping a little bit up, but it's rejecting around 26.30. I know a dump is coming. I've been taking profits in this zone. Even I hit some stop losses. It's alright. I can take it. But I know what I'm doing. But especially when I'm giving signal, I say please take one trade. Even right now, I'm saying just take one trade. Okay, one trade. Let that trade run. Even if you are watching as a free premium group or free in a premium group or like a free signal, please just take one trade. Understand that gold is behaving differently. Gold is about to do a retracement and it does this. All that gap down there is ready to be filled. So if you hit a stop, please control your emotions, okay? We will get it. But look at this. We are all mature people, right? We can control our emotions, right? So why don't you control your emotions over here too? And be a professional trader. If you're not a professional trader, be a person who just think for a second you are a professional trader. So when you're taking the entry, just follow it without any emotions. And when I say one trade, just take one trade only. And just for the sake of visual representation, let me mark the take profit zones. This is TP1. This is TP2. Let's just focus on TP1 and 2. If I when say just open one trade over here and then I have 4 TP, so you have to decide where will you take profit. You either close that one trade at 26.31 or 26.22. This is what I mean. And when I say okay, do open normal trade, it means whatever lot size which I recommended, plus when you take profit on TP1 2, put the other trades on break even. That's how you roll. That's how your the trade management should be. A lot of people say, why aren't you buying around this area? Because I don't see the potential. If it drops suddenly, I cannot take the risk. Same goes for sell. When I'm selling, I know the risk behind those sells. Trading is all about, first of all, trading is about opening with the right lot size according to your equity size. Follow it strictly. Where your entry is, in what trading session your entry is. All these things matter. Lately, I haven't been streaming. I was unable to stream consistently last week, but this week I am. And even I was late today because I was busy. I'm gonna complete 2 hours of my stream and then walk away. Because if I make a commitment, I stay up to it. So when I say tell you guys to do something, you should also do it. I open my cell over here, 2640 till 2635 area. All these are my sell trades. Here, till here. Even the previous trade is still running. I TP'd it over here. This was my TP1 and 2. This area, uh, 2631 and then 2625. This was my TP2. It almost hit my TP3, which was 2622, but it just went up again. My trades are still running from here. This I opened now too, in front of you guys. Everything is transparent. This I gave in London session, hit it stop loss, which I updated over here. Everything is transparent. I'm not hiding anything. I did said when I opened this trade, I'd open just one trade. Follow the risk management. And London is notorious. London is what London does. As soon as the Tokyo session ended, it just went up and created a more volatile range. And right now we are just 28 minutes away. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I was away actually. I went to make coffee for myself. As you can see, please follow the trade management which I recommend. All the guys in Premium 1 and 2, please don't take more lot size than I recommend, and don't make open more trades I recommend. Otherwise, if you hit stop loss, because we are in a range bound, we are waiting for a breakout, so we are scalping the range. Please follow the strict trade management. It's not necessary that you have to open all the. I already give oil trade that is running profitable. Okay, gold we are trying to, and GPP JPY we scalp profits. Lately, the I gave the GPP USD signal, which did not went quite well, but I'm still expecting it to drop. Wait a second, let me see. It almost hit my stop loss, the GPP USD scalp trade. It almost hit my stop loss, but eventually it's gonna drop down. That's what it does when it wants to drop down. It does a pullback, and then I don't know why it happens, but it happens for a reason. The thing is, you have to survive the market. If you cannot survive another day, then you are in a trouble, my friend. You need to learn to survive the market. So please don't be greedy. Follow, bro. Can you just? I have, I have not so many times. I have this, on my stream told you guys how to open layers of trade and how to manage it. This is the fifth week. Since the first week, I've been doing this. Come on, guys. Be professional. I'm doing the hard work. Okay, I'm doing all the hard work. I'm just, and I'm even telling you guys how to open a trade and how to put a stop loss and how to manage it. If even if you can get that trade, please, please don't do this. Please don't be greedy. Follow the lot size which I recommend. Please understand. This is really crucial. This is really important. What's moving the market, guys? Traders raise ECB easing bet, seeing 60% chance of 25 base point in October. Trader boost odds of half point November Fed rate cut. There's more chance of 50 base point in November. Let's see. Fed boom and core inflation remains uncomfortable above the 2% target, with upside risks given ongoing growth is. In short, this Bowman is basically giving us those remarks that we are looking forward, that is gonna drive the gold price down. Bowman is doing the job for us. All we have to do is open trade and trust the process. All time high is 2460, 24 to be precise. All time high is around 2460.06 is all time high. I mean, it sounds ridiculous that I'm trying to sell gold from 2600 range to 20. When we are now at 2640. Even still, I'm consistent. Why? Because I see what you cannot see. All this damn correction. It just doesn't make sense, does it? I mean, if this doesn't convince you, what else would? Come on, guys. If this doesn't convince you, what else would? The last thing you wanna do is buy something which is already overbought. Gold right now is just annoying the shit out of everybody. I know a lot of people who are in a buy position. Their buys are still running, but majority of the people are FOMO buying. This is FOMO buying. All this area is FOMO buying. FOMO buying is the because of FOMO buying is just, and all the sell side liquidity is sitting over here. All the stop loss are sitting around 2650, 2640. Mostly people who are selling, and all the people who are buying, their stop loss are sitting around somewhere around 26 20, 26 15, 26 19, down till 26 10. All the sell side liquidity sitting over here, and the market is gonna grab that sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, sorry. Holy shit, the pump. Oh my god, what the fuck. 2643. Our stop loss, to be precise, is around 2645. And now, this is the pullback I think was waiting for. If this rejects, if this 5-minute candle close bearish, then this is it for gold. Okay, waiting, just waiting. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Keep those likes coming in. This is the trade over here that I opened. My stop loss is not just this, even I have this trade running. You have to respect your stop loss. You have to respect your lot size according to your equity size. You have to survive another day in the market. Your back-to-back profits, first, second, third week, fourth week too. This is the fifth week, and this is just Tuesday. You take whatever the market gives you. You walk away with the scalps. You walk away with your profits small. You have a positive mindset. When you decide you're gonna buy, you buy. When you decide you're gonna sell, you sell. And you stick to it. You don't buy and sell, you don't fuck your mind. If you buy and sell, you'll get confused. I'm just selling. I don't care if gold is pumping. Because I used to say, sell is temporary, buy is permanent. It is, but the retracement is gonna be dangerous. I'm scalping, I'm taking profits on sells, hitting break evens, and some of my trades I hit stop loss. But in short, I'm looking for that nasty bugger. You have to stay positive because your mindset is all you have. You don't have to overthink about everything. Okay, if what happens, what's the worst thing that can happen? Hit your stop loss, right? So it is alright, I can take this loss. If it hits, it's alright. This trade, stop loss is over here. This trade is been running, stop loss is above. Don't follow me. Follow this thing I say. I'm managing it, okay? I'm right now shifted my stop loss on this previous trade around 2648, okay? I did right now in front of you guys. Okay? This stop loss is gonna stay over here. Why? Because London is about to close, and as soon as London will close, two things gonna happen. It's either gonna show us the real face, because right now the people are just FOMO buying. FOMO buying has bought gold up from 2600 to 2640, and it's gonna wipe away all that buy side liquidity. But the question is when. So this is why you open one trade with a recommended lot size and you follow your trade plan. Mostly people are like, oh, you should have bought around here. No, I know what I'm doing. If this thing decides to drop, it will happen so fast that you won't be able to even short it. Your hand will cut literally. It's almost about to hit my stop loss around 2645. Let's see. If it hits my stop loss and moves down, pull back, I'm gonna get pissed off again. Look at it. It hit the stop loss. Because this is what I say. Too high to buy, And even if you try to sell, it's like hit your stop loss and then push down. Unfortunately it hit my stop loss and now it's gonna drop down now. I updated it. It's alright. We're gonna get through this. You just look at gold. Gold is what gold does. If you buy from here, you should probably take profit around here. I just sold from here. I'm gonna wait now for the London to close and then I'm gonna enter. This London session trade which I gave hit SL right now, again it hit SL. And I'm being really strict. I opened only one trade over here. This trade is still running. I'm waiting for the London close, then I'm gonna enter again. Unfortunately it is like this. We have to be really careful. If everything goes fine, everything's gonna be back to normal. I've been trying to sell since what do you say, Thursday and Friday. And I give those what do you say, and mostly the signals I've been providing is on premium group. Because I have a trade plan. I follow my trade plan. I'm not failing. Who said I'm failing? I'm taking profits. It's just unfortunate that besides what you say, live streaming when I'm taking those shots, I'm taking profit, but I'm unable to share it because it happens so fast. Or if I'm doing something, eventually you'll see that as soon as the London closes, it's gonna start dropping. So as soon as the London closes, I'm gonna open a sell. Just in case you're listening, one trade, I'm gonna TP around somewhere around 26, 22. I've been doing like this. If you just focus over here, I shorted this, I TP'd around here. It's just that on live stream, when I did this for London, and I always say London is sideways range. Besides London, this was what do you say, pre-London. So yeah, these are all the premium signals. All the signals which I gave are on premium. I haven't even given more than like 3 signals on what do you say, live stream. I only give 3 signals, and they were small, really tight, small stop loss around here. This one, around this one, and this is my personal trade which I took over here. This is a premium signal trade. This one too. Now look, the fucking it's gonna drop down. It's gonna drop hard. You have to understand how the market works. Only then you will, make profit. Not like you're gonna make profit all that time. You have to take some loss too, because but I'm making profits. This is why I say open layers of trade, take partial profits, put on break evens. I've been doing that. Over here, I've been doing that. But I removed the partial profit. And look at now, it's dropping now. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute candle and then I'm gonna enter again over here. Somewhere around here I will enter. Again, of course, following my streak. If you are watching this, just open one trade. I'm gonna follow my same plan. Because I've been doing that, taking profits over here. Already took around here. It's just that so much is happening behind, when I'm not streaming, that I cannot share every small detail. This morning in Tokyo session, I took short on Sui. Now, people, I'm gonna reply to all your texts after the stream. Don't lose hope. I'm gonna reply to your messages later. Please don't lose hope. You guys are losing hope. This is what happening. Your trade psychology is kicking in. The London close right now. This is not you. This is your emotions talking. Just look at 4 hour silver. This move is insane. That the retracement is gonna be really hard. People don't understand. All people see a buy, a push up. They don't see what I am seeing. The pull. This is fake move. This is all just pump, the pump before the dump, the great dump. And people say, oh, how much patience we should have. You have to be a lot patient. You have to understand. This is all about patience. Trading is all about patience. You have to be professional. You have to understand the risk. If you normally, some people, they were like, you have to understand, you are scalping. If you can't be, patient in a scalping, just imagine yourself, you are a person who's probably gonna hold, trade for like 2, 3, 4, 6 months, a year. You need a lot of patience for that. When, this is the difference. When you are in profit, you're happy, your mind is releasing dopamine. Even when you are lost, your mind is releasing dopamine. You're like, I need to open more trades, bigger lot size to cover loss. Don't force yourself. Follow this, this I say, be strict. If I am shorting the market and consistently trying to grab that, that dump which I am basically expecting, I'm also considering the risk. It's not just like I open the trade and I just wait for the dump to happen. I'm taking partial profits in the meantime. You have to, you have to see that. People are texting you, you are trying to sell, you are failing. Look at this. You think I won't be taking any profits? Come on, man, be realistic. But if you are not be able to do that, that's a big, big no. It's not like I never have losses, I also have losses. Everybody goes through pressure. I'm managing more accounts than you, most probably. I have my own account, I have got clients. Two of two of my clients' accounts, they are in a drawdown. I'm worried about that too. But I'm being patient. I know it's gonna, everything's gonna be back to normal. It is what it is, isn't it? I cannot fight the market. You cannot fight the market. No need to fight the market. Just follow your plan. Whatever the plan is. A lot of people are gonna asking me, oh, when you gonna keep on trying? As soon as it hit profit, nobody's gonna ask me anything then. If you think that I'm failing miserably, look at this, already TP'd around this region, these trades before that. But it is true that the premium signal which I gave mostly on the premium guys, you know, 5, 6 trades. Two of them hit TP1 and hit break even. Four trades hit stop losses. But I told them to open one trades only. And on live stream, two times, When I'm making profit, you guys are happy. When one or two or three trades hit stop loss, the guys start having doubt. I told you guys, be professional. If you're not ready to take loss, then you're not ready to take, you cannot make profits. I've done my analysis, I've done everything. I'm not gonna buy, I don't care, I'm not gonna buy now. I already have my buys running, but not over here, not around 2600. I'm not gonna fucking buy on this area. I know the drop is gonna drop so hard, it's gonna be so hard, so it's gonna be really, really something which I don't wanna, experience. Let's readjust stop loss to 2650. My anti area is 24. This is 2645 till 26. I have my layers over here, but I don't want you guys to open more than one trade. Just open one trade. Open it around somewhere here. This zone 26 to 45, and your stop loss should be around 2650. Follow the plan. Follow it strictly. Let me write it down so people understand. I'm only opening one trade. I was prepared because, since I started streaming, I knew that day is gonna come, that one day that, things won't work out the way it's supposed to. And then people will start having doubts, start messaging me. Nobody comes support. When everybody was getting profit, I was getting DM this. Now all I get is fucking hate messages. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? You're here just for the profits? Come on, man. Don't act like a child. One X trade only, baby. For you guys. I have my own on. But for you guys only. One X over here too. Let's wait and watch now. Here we are, baby, here we are. It's finally dropping. So this is why I say you have to be patient. Patience is the key. When the hammer is gonna drop, when the knife is finally gonna drop down, then then you will be like, okay. You have to take the press. You have to be professional. If you cannot take the heat, then it's a clear sign you're not ready. It's not like you just gonna see green days, profitable days. It's just gonna be, it's like life's gonna be like that too. There's also gonna be rainy days. Those days we have non-stop back-to-back profits. The first 3 weeks, the fourth week too. If this week is like that, don't give up hope. Your trade psychology is everything. No matter what happens, you wake up with a fresh mindset. You have to carry yourself with the energy. You have to follow what your logical sense says. My analysis says the gold is overbought right now, and FOMO buying is the reason that there's gonna be a dump is coming. All there, because on a large time frames and even on smaller time frames, I am seeing bearish divergence, hell lots of bearish divergence, and all those bearish divergence are getting neglected. It's like it's supposed to drop, but it's not dropping. So this is just a FOMO buying. It's grabbing all the liquidity and is gonna dump it. All their stop loss is hitting around 26.15. It's like heating. Gold is heating. It's like boiling. It's like, and I have years of experience when I'm saying it that something is about to happen, which I'm scared of. This I'm scared to buy. To be honest, I'm scared to buy. You won't know that because you're just here for the profits. I'm here for the entire show, the 3-hour movie. I'm here for that. And I always say scalp, take partial profits. Scalp, and keep on scalping. Take partial profits. I've been doing that. I haven't changed. If 1 week I couldn't stream, it doesn't mean that you guys think I'm in a loss or something. I was too busy. I was following my same plan. Even when I open trades, I say, okay, listen, this is the entry. You have to take profits. Partial profits. Put it on break even. All the new members, I kept on repeating. But if you guys are not gonna follow the lot size I recommend and open more trades, then the loss is on you, not on me. You have to understand, we are pro wolf trader, man. We are a family. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you. But if you don't follow the trade plan which I recommend you, and if anything goes sideways, it's on you. See, this is what I'm talking about. When the profit keeps coming in, everybody's here for the profit. And if things go sideways, they're like, as you know, as to when it will drop, one is things for sure. When it's gonna drop, everything, everybody's gonna come back, running on the stream. And guess what? I won't be streaming when it's gonna be dropping. I won't be streaming. That will be a payback to all those fuckers who are sending me hate messages. Bro, I don't give a shit. I'm making profits. I'm making money. And what if it is hit stop loss, man? It's all right. I can take that loss. I'm following my trade management. I made more money on live stream any YouTuber ever did, man. No YouTuber would show his live positions and trade like I am. Transparent. Everything is fucking transparent, baby. I don't give a shit what you guys think. I have a trade plan and I'll follow that trade plan strictly. As soon as it starts dropping, everybody, is, oh, look, it's dropping. What the fuck? I'm not buying this fucking. This is just a fake move. This is all fake. All those ICT traders are like jumping around here and there. They don't know what's coming. Even if it fucking goes to 26, 50, 60, which it won't, but even if it did, I'm not gonna fucking buy. No way. I'm not buying this shit. This is all fake move. If you're buying, oh look, I took profits. Yeah, keep on taking profits on those buys. And then yeah, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna keep on buying, 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 and as soon as it stop dropping, you're gonna keep on buying, and guess what's gonna happen? The pullback is imminent, man. This is why I say that it's harder to, catch a sell. It's easy to catch a buy, but it sells, when it drops, this happens so fast, most probably won't be able to have time to sell. So this is why when you are selling, you normally would reduce your lot size or manage your lot size or manage your trade. So this is why I recommended to all the guys open one trade only, because that's the thing with short. And if for any reason I was unable to say so, it might be because I'm too busy. But I do remember saying it quite often. It's not like I have to, like a grandpa say the same thing over and over again every day. It pisses me off too. Thank you for the likes and subscriptions. I really appreciate whoever. I got 10 subscribers today. I really appreciate you, all of you guys, for your love and support. And all the people who have already subscribed, thank you for your love and support and staying with me since day one, week one of my stream. Whatever happens, you have to, be positive, have a positive mindset, because life is like this. I'm gonna be here streaming. I'm gonna go walk away after 30 minutes. As I said, I'm gonna stream 2 hours. I'm gonna keep up to my work. My TP1 is around here. What the hell? It's up to you if you wanna close that one trade around 26.31 or 26.20. It's up to you. But this is how things are gonna be. Okay, guys, this is more than 2 hours. This is the more probably like 2 hours 20 minutes. As I said, gold is gonna drop down, but the question is when, and I'm not gonna miss up any opportunity. This is why I'm opening small lot sizes according to my equity size. And I have told all the members in premium group 1 and 2 to open one trade only. If you're not following the trade plan and if you're not following the recommended lot size and not opening just one trade, you're out of the plan, you're not following the plan, I'm gonna whoop your ass. You're gonna hear from me. Because I'm not gonna, hell no way I'm gonna miss this drop opportunity. And right now I'm taking consistent profits on scalping gold sell. As you can see clearly over here that I've been taking profits over here. Lately this trade right in here during the London session and the New York session, it hit my stop loss, but I am taking consistent profits, so keep that in your mind. If I'm away, I'm busy, take your profits. It's alright, follow the trade plan. It's not like it's gonna climb forever. A correction is imminent. I need to go work, so I'll see you guys later tomorrow in London session. And I say again, making profits and losing money is part of the trade. You cannot, if you're not ready to lose some money, you cannot make some money. And we are making back-to-back profits. This is little bit, little bit stop loss, but don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, man. I'm not gonna buy in this market. Hell no way I'm not gonna buy. I already have my buys running. I'm satisfied for on those buy orders, but these positions, hell no way I'm gonna buy anywhere here. No way. Anyways, my trade is running from here. This trade is also running. This trade is most likely still running because I have removed my stop loss, which I will put back again once it goes below this area. I already took partial profits over here on 2-3 of my trades. 2 of them they're still running. I moved my stop loss above here in this entry, and over here I removed it. So it's like you need to know how to do trade management. But it's just me following my plan. But you guys just need to open one trade. All the guys in the premium and all the guys watching stream right now, you just need to open one trade. Because I'm telling you, well, why don't you open a buy? I'm not gonna open a buy. I'm scared of opening a buy order. Even if this one trade is running and you take a profit somewhere around this zone, or even if you let it run and it drops, it's gonna drop so hard that you're gonna ask yourself why you didn't open more trades. But ignore the greed then. You have to understand the risk involved. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow on London session. While I have to go because I have streamed more than 2 hours. This was most probably like 2 hours 26 minutes. So yeah, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys on tomorrow London session. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for the likes and subscription. Thank you for the hearts, beloved.